Hey everybody, I'm Matt, Marketing Manager here at Durofix, and today we'll be looking at the Durofix range of impact wrenches designed specifically for professional assembly environments. The Durofix range of Pro Assembly impact wrenches consists of two tools, the RI-20-126 and the RI-20-36. Both of these tools feature our patented ETC, which is Electronic Torque Control System, which automatically shuts the tool off when desired torque is reached at an accuracy of plus and minus 15%. Also in these tools is our patented all-in-one brushless motor, which integrates the motor and driver into one compact unit, reducing the overall tool size, weight, which results in a more ergonomic tool and reduces user fatigue, especially during critical, repetitive tasks on a production line. Both of our tools are designed with ergonomics in mind, because both tools feature specifically designed gearbox and motor which yields industry-leading performance. The RI-20-126 delivers 3,000 impacts per minute at 2,600 RPM, and the RI-20-36 delivers 2,000 impacts per minute at 2,200 RPM. This allows these tools to deliver less energy per blow, but still the same power, allowing for our very low vibration values for impact wrenches. The RI-20-126 is certified at a tool vibration magnitude of just 7 meters per second squared, whereas the RI-20-36 is certified at a tool vibration magnitude of 10 meters per second squared. This is ideal for production line where operators will be using these tools continuously during working shifts, as the low vibration ensures that the operator is kept safe from vibration-related injuries. Now let's take a closer look at our RI-20-126 with our 20-volt brushless half-inch impact wrench with 50-stage preset torque with a max tightening torque of 250 Nm with a reverse torque of 375 Nm, all from a tool just weighing 2 kilograms. Its 50-stage preset torque table you can see here, based upon the bolt size, because as you're probably aware, depending on the bolt size will affect how much torque you can apply. On a smaller M10 bolt, it has a lower yield amount, so applying too much torque can strip or shear the bolt off and cause permanent deformation. Here you can see we've set preset torque on stages 1 to 16 for a torque range of 25 to 50 Nm, whereas on a larger M16 bolt we start at stage 20 with a 95 Nm up to stage 50 with 180 Nm. Let's take for example my car, a 2012 Honda Civic. The manufacturer recommends a target torque for each wheel of 108 Nm. So on the M16 bolt, we can easily see the desired stage to be 25. Simply press on the back of the tool to stage 25. Now we would normally recommend a slightly lower stage, 23 or 24, just to give over 100 Nm, and then using our RM607 to dial in the desired torque. This is an accuracy of plus and minus 3%. Thanks to its high durability and high performance, these tools have been utilised effectively in a wide range of industries, such as auto manufacturing, all the way to solar panel installation. Now, let's look at the bigger brother, the RI-20-36A3. This is our 20-volt brushless half-inch impact wrench on the third generation of this popular automotive tool that can handle with ease up to 800 Nm of tightening torque with 1100 in reverse torque. Featuring a half-inch square drive with 28 preset torque ranging from 60 to 700 Nm. We have simplified the setup based upon the average torque on an M22 bolt. You can see that the average target torque and can easily just set it on the back of the tool. This tool can be used for tightening wheel nuts on passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, and even heavy good vehicles. The Durofix range of impact wrenches delivers powerful, consistent performance for your applications, while also remaining ergonomic with industry-leading vibration levels. Durofix impact wrenches are therefore the ideal choice of tooling for your high torque processes where safety, efficiency and productivity are essential. Thank you, I've been Matt here at Durofix, and if you'd like to know more, just drop us a comment, give us an email at sales@durofix.co.uk or visit the website at durofix.co.uk.